In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI quickly and easily. Whether you're working on a school paper, drafting an email, or writing content for your blog, Grammarly AI is a handy tool that can elevate your writing to the next level. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful resource in just a few short steps. First, you'll want to open up a new document. This could be a Word document, a Google Doc, or any platform where you can type and edit text. This step is crucial because it essentially sets the stage for Grammarly to work its magic. Opening a document is like opening the door to a more polished piece of writing, allowing Grammarly to seamlessly integrate into your workflow and start supporting your writing process immediately. If you're new to using Grammarly, it's important to have it installed as a browser extension, or if you prefer, you can have the standalone app open. This ensures that you're set up for the most seamless and effective experience, making sure the tool is ready whenever you need it. Once your document is prepared, your next step is to click on the Grammarly Go AI feature. You'll typically find this option on your Grammarly dashboard or integrated within your document editor. Activating Grammarly Go AI is akin to inviting your personal editor to join you. It starts refining your writing, offering suggestions to improve grammar, style, tone, and so much more. It's precisely at this moment where the magic begins to happen. Next, you'll want to select what you want the AI to do. Grammarly offers a variety of options tailored to your specific needs. Perhaps you're looking to check for grammatical errors, enhance clarity, make your writing more engaging, or adapt the tone to suit a particular audience. By selecting these preferences, you're giving Grammarly specific instructions, tailoring its feedback to better fit your writing goals. This customization is powerful as it ensures that the edits align with your unique voice and specific needs. As you proceed to review the suggestions, you will begin to notice how Grammarly Go actively improves your writing. Designed to identify errors and inconsistencies, the tool offers precise and helpful corrections. It's a bit like having your own writing coach, pointing out areas for improvement and helping you learn from each suggestion. Through this ongoing process, you're not just enhancing a single piece of writing, you're developing a more refined writing style over time, which is an invaluable skill. Lastly, don't forget about Grammarly Go's utility in Gmail. This feature is especially useful for those of us who are constantly firing off emails, be they professional or personal. With Grammarly integrated into your Gmail, your correspondence becomes clearer and more effective, ensuring you communicate your message accurately and professionally. From catching typos to rephrasing sentences for clarity, Grammarly supports you in crafting emails that resonate effectively with your recipients. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to using Grammarly AI to its fullest potential. Happy writing!